UAE National Day, a story of families coming together. Every year on UAE National Day, the streets glow with flags, lights, and smiling faces. But more than the colors, it is the feeling, a warm welcome that brings families closer. Young Sammy wakes up early. He lives in a building where neighbors are from many countries. Today, his mother wraps a small flag around his shoulders and says, "We will celebrate this day together." Across the hall, Amina from Bangladesh ties a bright ribbon on her daughter's hair. In a different family, Mr. Chun from China hangs a lantern beside the balcony light. People cook together, share sweets, and exchange cheerful greetings. By noon, the neighborhood park fills up. Families bring dishes from home: rice, bread, cakes, and dates. Children run freely, chasing balloons and laughing. Older generations sit, share stories, and pass on simple lessons about respect and kindness. In this park, Sammy plays with a group of children from different backgrounds. He asks, "Why do we celebrate this day?" To this question, an elderly Emirati woman smiles and says it is about love for our home and caring for each other. It is about learning to be part of a big family. The day becomes a gentle lesson. Parents show their kids how to welcome a neighbor, how to share, and how to listen. They teach patience, teamwork, and the joy of helping, small habits that grow into strong family values. On this day, nationality does not separate people, it brings them together. Different languages are spoken, different foods are tasted, but the smiles are the same. The UAE has become a living classroom where children learn respect for every culture. As the sun sets, the sky fills with soft lights. Families gather to watch a small parade and sing together. Sammy holds his mother's hand and feels proud. He learns that family is more than who you are related to. It is the care you share. This 54th UAE National Day, join your neighbors, share a meal, tell a story, and teach a child what it means to belong. Together, we build a future where every child learns love, respect, and the strength of family.
Welcome to the channel. Exciting content ahead. Thrilled you're joining our community. Come, stay, enjoy our offerings. Subscribe for more amazing videos.